That was 30th September at approximately 1000 hours. Actually, that was the day we came to effect the arrest, and 12 people were being arrested. They are Larry Kweku, age 30, Labing Moisi, 38, alias Asuma, age 30, Isaac Ahin, 33, Indari Mombe, 19, Nuruddin Kwabena, Dennis Adom, 29, Kwame Simon, 28, Alex Kofi Akwa, 27, Jude Azum, 20 years of age, Jonathan Ayando, 30, and Combat Daniel, 80 years of age. So I would want to assure the minister and my MP that we will continue to, come to this place and make sure that if we get anybody again doing such a thing, we will definitely arrest him, and the way will be prosecution. Thank you very much.